Hey, this is AJ Powers with the American Dream. We are here with Adam Hall. He's the owner of Scavengers Tour. Adam, thanks for coming out with us.
Got it.
Absolutely. So, Adam, you have a really unique company. You want to tell us a little bit about Scavenger Tour?
Sure. Yeah, so we're an outdoorsy tour where we focus on taking our clients to new places like breweries. We go to distilleries and give people a tasting experience. So they're trying different products. Craft beer is a big one right now. And we are also doing things like distillery tours and stuff like that. We also do custom tours as well. The interesting thing about our tour is our vehicles, and they're open air, so you really get a chance to experience San Diego outdoors.
Right, so it's definitely more of an experience than just beer tasting.
Absolutely.
So how'd you guys come up with the concept?
So I kind of grew up in wine country, and so a lot of farming companies, and I did some work with the farming companies for harvesting grapes. And so I actually started a wine tour in the Temecula area, and then ended up selling that tour and starting this beer tour. A lot of breweries were popping up, and I figured, hey, I like beer and I like to be driven around. I don't want to be drinking while I'm consuming beer, and so I thought it was a great, safe way to have a nice beer adventure without having to drive yourself.
Sure. So how does it work exactly?
So yeah, we have a few pickup spots. We have the Carlsbad train station there on State Street, and then we have the Santa Fe station downtown. We pick you up from either the train station or a local hotel or a local residence. Want to make sure that you aren't having to drive after the tour. And we pick you up in our 1973 Austrian military vehicles.
Okay.
And they are 12 passengers, and you can actually drink on board. So we give you drinks on board. We can drink beer, anything you like, and we serve that as well. And so it's kind of nice to have a drink while you're heading to each brewery as well.
Okay, so you pick them up, you take them around. Where do they get to go once they're on the bus?
Yeah, so on a typical tour, or take for instance our beer tour, we visit 3 different craft breweries, and everything is included. So we give you a tasting glass, it has our logo on it. You get tickets, and so it's a real easy process. You don't have to wait in long lines or anything, or make a lot of transactions. You go and you give them a ticket, you get your beer, and you drink it right there. We do production tours as well. I've been brewing beer myself for about 15 years, and so we teach people how the beer is made on a production tour, the ingredients we go through, and just give people sort of an education on how the beer is made and the ingredients that are involved. Yeah, so our vehicles fit up to 12 passengers, and I heard you had a group that was ready to come.
We're working right now, but I might be able to see if I can round a few of them up.
Let's do it.
Perfect. Looks like we're ready to go.
Let's go.
All right.
Music got the best in me ever since I was a child. Now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do?
Thanks for having us out. I really appreciate it. I'm going to go join the rest of the guys, have some beers.
Great.
Thanks.
Have a good time. I'll be right here.